When I'm done working my shift for the week, I like to spend time in the kitchen. Spend some time with me. Let's go. Outback's Bloomin' Onions, Holly style. Classic burger and jack cheese. Black beans. A favorite of mine, catfish fillets. I chose 2 egg-battered deep-fried potato patties. I added deep-fried sweet potato cubes, 1/4 pound classic burger and stuffed cheddar cheese. Local Albertsons, salmon and chicken sauce. Place the seasoned salmon skin side down first. Apply mango lime. It doesn't take too long to get grill marks on the salmon. The salmon is still cooking skin side down. It's going to be really rather crispy. I was able to get grill marks on the salmon and keep it rare, and also on the andouille sausage. Add in a little pasta and some greens, and voila! Rabbit out the hat, give it to the homie, and he'll never give it back. On to the next one. The scrambler, baked eggs, peppers, onions, and tomatoes. After a quick cleanup, let's get to the chops. This cast iron griddle will be perfect for the sirloin steaks and the pork chops. Thick, juicy, center-cut, bone-in pork chops. I even prepared an old favorite, fried cabbage. I try to get grill marks on the meat, the pork chops and the sirloin. Of it. By the looks of it, I was able to achieve pretty good grill marks. I'm satisfied with the results. I then wrapped the chicken andouille sausage with bacon. No eggs this time. Again, I like the results. Sirloin and the grilled onions. Another favorite of mine, beef tongue. I shredded it, of course. It would be perfect for tacos and maybe even burritos. Deep fried chicken and potato salad. Just look at that potato salad. I didn't do it, of course. Kathy did. Meal prep for the week. 4 work days, 4 meals. Another look at that potato salad. Yummy-licious. Chicken skewers with sweet chili sauce. Andouille sausage cut in quarters. This dish, Japanese udon noodles in mushroom sauce. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe.